Lightning safety. You are aware that lightning strike destroys life and property. Therefore, it is necessary to take precautionary measures to protect ourselves. You know that lightning occurs during a thunderstorm. Hence, a thunder is an alert for the occurrence of lightning. During lightning, open space, or open vehicles, like motorbikes, tractors, and open cars, are not safe. A house, or a building, is a safe place. After hearing the last thunder, do not come out of a safe place immediately. If you are traveling by a car, or a bus, then you should shut the windows and doors, as you are safe inside. When you are in open field, do not take shelter in parks, under tall trees, or at elevated places. During thunderstorm, carrying an umbrella would not help, as the tip and the handle of umbrella contain metal, which is a good conductor of electricity. Similarly, stay away from poles or other metal objects. If you are in a forest, take shelter under shorter trees. But if you are in an open field, and no shelter is available, then squat low on the ground, and place your hands on your knees, with your head between the hands. This position will make you the smallest target to be struck. Inside the house, during a thunderstorm, avoid contact with telephone cords, electrical wires, and metal pipes, as you know that lightning is an electric discharge, which can strike these metallic objects. It is safer to use mobile phones and cordless phones, but do not call a person receiving your call through a wired phone. Moreover, to avoid the contact with running water, you should not take bath during thunderstorms. Also, electrical appliances, like computers, TVs, etc., should be unplugged. Whereas, you can keep electrical lights on, because they do not cause any harm. You must have seen a metallic rod, taller than the building. It is installed in the walls of the building during its construction. This device is a lightning conductor, which protects the buildings from the effect of lightning. It consists of a metallic rod, whose one end is kept out in the air, and the other end is buried deep in the ground. The rod provides easy route for the transfer of electric charge to the ground. Similarly, the metal columns, electrical wires, and water pipes in the buildings also protect us to some extent. But you should not touch them during a thunderstorm. Thus, we have learnt about the safety measures we should take during lightning.